It's time for another vlog test. Good day, you beautiful people. We're in Bali right now for the launch of the POCO F8 series. And of course, in this video, we're testing out the cameras of the POCO F8 Ultra. Now, why is this an exciting thing for me? So for context, POCO has always championed making good phones at very good price points. So much so that when the first POCO phone came out, they touted these phones and subsequent ones as flagship killers. Now, POCO phones are very good phones, but it was only just last year though that POCO went and said, wait, we're not just gonna be flagship killers, we're also gonna be flagship killers with good cameras. Because up until then, POCO phones were known as flagship killers, but I didn't like their cameras. So that's why I'm excited to test out this Ultra, because last year's Ultra brought the heat. The F7 Ultra had significantly good cameras compared to previous POCO phones, and now we have the F8 Ultra. So if you're new to the channel, these camera vlog tests are when I take these smartphone cameras out and about so you can see for yourself just how they perform in real life scenarios. But before anything else, let's take a closer look at this phone. Now, before anything else, one big highlight of the POCO F8 Ultra would be that partnership with Bose. This phone has a 3-speaker setup. You have one at the bottom, one at the top, and this is a subwoofer. Because I need you guys to understand how good the sounds are from this phone, let's do a little sound check. So here's a mic.
Beginnings on the cusp, not too old to adjust.
Right? It's so good. So what I'm most excited to test out is that triple 50-megapixel shooter on the back, specifically the 5x telephoto zoom. And full disclosure, I have started shooting with this phone yesterday when we went out. So far, this phone has impressed. Okay, front-facing video of the POCO F8 Ultra right now, and we're shooting in 4K 30 FPS. Now I'm sort of just like chilling and working and shooting this vlog test, but a little later today, we're actually gonna go to the launch event. That's exciting. And we're not gonna see just the POCO F8 Ultra launch there. We're also gonna see the POCO F8 Pro at the event. Again, I also have a video of this phone soon. And yes, my mirror fogged up because it was too cold in the room. This time around, we're shooting with the rear cameras. I want to show you the view. Beautiful. And this is 4K 30 wide, 1x, 2x, 5x. So you can see the quality is still very, very good at 5x. And we can zoom further up until, whoa, 10x. Oh wait, okay, this is wide. That is where I stay, that part of the hotel. It's a beautiful view. I have stayed in this hotel before though, like for another event. Not technically this building, but the adjacent hotel. So nice. Zooming in on photo, however, gives you like a crazier 100 times zoom. Cameras also have OIS, so like walking and talking like this will be a nice smooth video. Now you can also do 8K recording with your cameras, and this is what that looks like, although it only does 1x up until 6x back to 1x. Right, you guys got me. I didn't get to vlog the rest of the launch event, but then I was wondering, how does one really test the zoom capabilities of a phone? So I decided to bring the POCO F8 Ultra to a concert. Here are the videos from that evening. I was actually quite impressed at how the cameras perform, specifically the zoom cameras. Now, by no means am I saying that these are the best zoom cameras in the market right now, but all in all, I do feel that the POCO F8 cameras did pretty well. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this is a phone you are wanting to check out. Let me know what your questions are. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.